Hello, my name is Mrs. Laura Cullums, and I have been teaching here at Pleasantville for about 15 years now. I received my bachelor's degree in early childhood education from Ohio University, and I received my master's degree in teaching and early literacy from Marygrove College. I'm married, and my husband and I live in Lancaster. We have two grown daughters. My youngest daughter, Kristen, is 25, and she works as an elementary school counselor for Worthington City Schools. And my oldest daughter, Lindsay, lives in Oregon, and she is a city planner out there. I love to teach kindergarten. I'm really looking forward to this year, and I also like to take walks. I have a dog that I take for walks every day. I also like to hike, and I also like to read and spend time with my family and friends. Um, as much as I enjoy working with kindergarten kids, I also really enjoy working with and talking to parents. So I want you to feel free to call me or email me or send me a note whenever you have a question or a concern. Believe it or not, even though my daughters are grown, I still very much remember sending them off to kindergarten for the first time and a lot of the concerns and the worries that went along with it. So there is no silly question. And, I just hope that you'll always feel free to come to me if you have any question or concern, or if your child is having some sort of issue that you don't think he or she has told me about. I would much rather have a call from you or talk to you before having your child be upset at school or something like that. So there are a lot of things happening in kindergarten, and we'll try to get as much information home to you as we can. I send a weekly newsletter that lets you know what's going on at school each week, and some things that you can do at home to help your child if they're having some trouble. I'm sure that by working together, your child will have a great year in kindergarten. So always feel free to contact me, and I really look forward to meeting you and your child and having a great year in kindergarten. Thank you very much. Have a great evening.